Building an AI agent often reveals a major data bottleneck. Feed standard PDFs into your pipeline, and speeds grind to a halt. Standard parsing frameworks treat every PDF like a photograph. They convert all the pages into a series of images, forcing those files through expensive, slow GPU clusters for optical character recognition. Firecrawl's PDF inspector takes a completely different path. It operates locally as a deterministic structural parser, reading the native text layer of a document and skipping the GPU entirely. This shifts data extraction from a multi-minute, cloud-reliant operation into a lightweight process executed in milliseconds on a local CPU. Isolating and extracting native text instantly solves the latency problem, giving you the speed required to run cost-effective, real-time AI agents. Getting started requires exactly 2 prerequisites on your machine: a basic command line interface and the Python pip package manager. Open your terminal and run pip install PDF inspector. This command downloads the core library and its associated tools directly to your system. While we access it through Python today, the underlying engine is compiled in pure Rust. That strict architecture guarantees memory safety and massive execution speed. You also have deployment flexibility. The library offers universal cross-platform bindings, allowing you to run it natively across Node.js and Rust environments. Executing this quick local installation removes the need to configure external dependencies or manage cloud API keys for your baseline document parsing. Step 1 in the parsing workflow is the diagnostic scan. We run the Detect PDF CLI tool to evaluate a sample document. The engine evaluates the document's internal drawing operations and font encodings mathematically. It determines the content type without ever loading the full file into memory. This generates a JSON output. Look at the classification key. When it reads Textbased, the document has a native text layer ready for instant extraction. If the tool outputs scanned, you hit the no text trap. The document lacks a readable text layer, meaning you must route it to a heavier vision model to decipher the pixels. Roughly 54% of enterprise PDFs actually contain native text. Identifying them early keeps millions of pages off your expensive GPU clusters. Using this diagnostic scan turns document ingestion into an agile, lane-based routing system, ensuring heavy compute is only applied when strictly necessary. Once the document is confirmed as text-based, we execute the raw extraction phase. Running the PDF to MD CLI command outputs the text directly into a Markdown file. Naive parsers fail on complex layouts by reading straight across the page. They blindly mix the left column with the right, creating semantic noise. PDF Inspector uses geometric valley detection to locate vertical whitespace, reconstructing a perfect sequential reading order down each column. It applies a similar logic to tabular data, cascading through multi-tiered methods to reconstruct borderless financial tables based purely on visual alignment heuristics. Looking at the complex source PDF against the generated file, the engine perfectly maps original columns and grids into clean, structured Markdown output. Large language models require this pure semantic structure. Without clean Markdown, visual formatting padding becomes noise, and the model hallucinates. Feeding your LLM effectively means respecting strict context window limits. Sending unstructured noise directly wastes paid tokens. Tighten the output by executing the command a second time, appending the compact flag. This flag triggers cleanup actions. The parser collapses redundant whitespace and strips out repetitive formatting. Notice how these long strings of dot leaders from a table of contents are actively collapsed into a clean, minimal ellipsis. Actively maximizing your token density during this early ingestion phase directly lowers the operational cloud costs of your AI pipeline. You have successfully translated a visually complex PDF into a highly optimized Markdown file, and you completed the entire process on your local CPU. This chart shows the exact time savings. Legacy OCR frameworks take minutes to parse a document. PDF Inspector completes the same page in less than 400 milliseconds. Your next step is to load this finalized Markdown file directly into data orchestration frameworks like LangChain or LlamaIndex. For those complex scanned files you flagged earlier during the diagnostic classification, you selectively route those pages to a heavy vision API, like Firecrawl's FirePDF. Mastering this local parsing infrastructure guarantees your document ingestion pipeline moves fast enough to keep autonomous agents running without breaking the feedback loop.